Hey guys, it is Kevin here in Japan, and I want to give you guys a tour of an Airbnb that we're staying at in Japan, my family and I. Well, we're on holiday here for summer vacation. Now, a lot of Airbnbs in Japan tend to be apartments, but this one is a full house. So, I'm going to show you a little bit about this place. And by the way, the reason why we have this full house, it was definitely out of our price range, but Airbnb, there was a controversy recently where Airbnb, or the Japanese government changed policies where folks who have Airbnbs had to have a special kind of registration with the government. So we had a booking and it suddenly got canceled 2 weeks before our holiday. And like half the listings on Airbnb in Japan disappeared. And as an apology, Airbnb gave us a nice voucher card, which helped us afford this much bigger place. So it's a typical Japanese house. I'm not going to show you the outside of it, just for secrecy reasons and whatnot. But here's the inside, the genkan area where you take off your shoes, of course. There is, it's a three-story house. It's small, like each floor is very small. So this is a room we're actually not supposed to use this. This is like a kitchenette, but we've been told not to use this room. That's fine, no problem. So on the first floor, you come in here, you get the stairwell, very steep stairs, and this is a tatami room, which we're essentially just using to keep our bags here. So we're on holiday for 7 weeks, so we've got a lot of stuff. Keeping our messy bags here. A typical tatami room, a Japanese home, a little corner area where sometimes you might find a shrine, but in this case, just some decorative stuff. Some shoji doors, paper doors, with futons inside, but again, TV, all that stuff, but we're not using this room. Okay, so let's go upstairs. So the second floor is kind of the main living floor. The stairs are incredibly steep, which I was a little bit worried about with my 5-year-old, but so far so good. Not a fan of steep stairs, just again when you have little kids. You can picture so much going wrong. So we come up to the second floor. This is kind of the main living space. So let me show you what we got here. We got the TV, faux fireplace, laundry rack. This was outside on the little tiny balcony, but it's raining, so here it is inside. Sofa area, so the kids obviously have made themselves at home here. Our small refrigerator, appliances. We really wanted the Airbnb so we could cook all of our meals. I lived in Japan for 10 years. My wife was from here. Eating at Japanese restaurants isn't really a priority. Table, I've been doing work on the Just Japan podcast, uploading content and stuff. Yes, I've got 2 workhorses, 2 machines here, guys. Kendama, because that's how I roll. Love playing kendama. Garbage. Let's see, I've got a washroom right here, a toilet, right there, and of course toilets and bathrooms are separate in Japan. So here's the bathroom, where you have your showers and stuff. The kids are happy to get baths now. Coming here from Beijing, the water's much cleaner, so we can enjoy baths. All right, and here's the washing machine where we can do our laundry and stuff, the sink area, whatnot. Let's head up to the 3rd floor where we sleep. Again, another very steep set of stairs. And one thing I've noticed is that actually, this entire house is actually quite small. Each floor, there's not much room. So there's just 2 bedrooms up here. 1 bedroom here with a single bed. A lot of signs that say do not open. The kids were tempted, but we have not opened them. We got outside. This is like the curtain that doesn't. I gotta kind of lift my head over here. So let's see, what do we got outside? It's a very rainy day. A very old schoolhouse. It's a corrugated tin house down there. The whole house is made of corrugated metal. Modern buildings there. Not so modern there. Okay, other bedroom. Here we go. 2 beds here. And another laundry rack. Apparently we're not allowed to touch these towels. Some of our clothes hanging there. Do not open again, these closets. Yeah, so let's take a look out here. Again, it's a really rainy day here in Kobe. A view from the very small balcony. And look at that apartment building. That's an impressive one. That's a pretty new one here in Kobe. So yeah, so this is you know, it's a Japanese house. My first time actually like staying one long term, aside from like family and stuff, my in-laws and stuff. But yeah, so it's pretty neat. This is right downtown in Kobe, right in Sanomiya. I think in total, the whole thing for like 6 days that we're staying here would be more than $1,000, like $1,100 or something. But at the end of the day, because of that big flub up with the Japanese government, the Airbnb registration, Airbnb themselves have paid for this, so I'm not complaining. So these stairs are steep, guys. That is a bit worrisome. I can't imagine like if you're elderly having a lot of accidents, or being a little kid, or if you're inebriated. So this is it, guys. Each floor has a little wall unit air conditioner just like this. Yeah, so it's been a comfortable stay here, guys. A comfortable stay. Gotta admit, I'm much happier here than staying in a hotel. So guys, that's it. This is my little Airbnb tour of the place we're staying at here in Japan. And I hope you guys liked it. If you did like it, the video, click like, subscribe, hit the bell button, ding, 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 and all that stuff. More steep stairs. And remember, check all the links below. Follow me on social media, on Twitter @MadForMaple. Go check out the Just Japan podcast at justjapanstuff.com. Later, guys. Take care. Kevin here in Japan.